This lie says, I'm not trying to freak my team out. The last thing I need is for them thinking that we're trying to replace them. Here's how this false belief is holding you back. You want to protect your people, so you shield them from change, but that protection can unintentionally limit their growth. When your staff is buried in low-value tasks, they burn out and disengage. You feel like you're supporting them, but you're actually keeping them stuck in a system that does not scale. Here's the brutal truth. Good tech doesn't replace your team, it elevates them. When your staff sees that automation is making their jobs easier, not threatening their roles, they feel more supported and more motivated. What your team fears most is not change, it's the exhaustion that comes from doing the same things over and over again with no relief in sight. GloveBox enhances your team's capacity without reducing their value. It handles the repetitive tasks that no one enjoys and gives your CSRs the space to grow into strategic roles. Agencies regularly report that their teams are not just more efficient, but much more engaged and enthusiastic after launch, because you're not replacing people, you're just giving them room to shine.